cleaning with vinegar may not always be right. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Everyone knows that vinegar is a great substitute for chemical cleaners. For those who favor the green initiative, vinegar is a familiar household product when it comes to cleaning. However, did you know that there are some things you would not want to clean with vinegar? Hello and welcome to yet another blog post from us. We at FastKlean take it upon us to see that all your cleaning demands are met either through our professional services or through our educative and informative posts. In this particular video, we will be discussing some of the things you would not want to clean with vinegar to avoid any form of damage. Vinegar and distilled water have been a solution for organic cleaning over the years. It has various advantages which include killing bacteria, dissolving stains and hard deposits, and being non-toxic. But all that glitters is not gold, as some people say. There are some things that can be damaged either temporarily or permanently once you try to clean them with vinegar. For the things we will be discussing in this video, try using a good cleaning agent instead of vinegar. So, what are these things? Top of counters. Countertops made of stone are meant to be beautiful and attractive to the eye, and if you intend to keep it that way, then keep vinegar out of your cleaning solution. This is because vinegar is acidic, and it gives a dull effect to these precious stones, making them lose their shining appearance. Instead, use mild detergent, water, and a dish towel or an eco-friendly and reusable bamboo cleaning cloth to avoid scarring. In the case of stubborn stains, use plastic scrubs. The screens of electronic devices. Most electronic screens like tablets, TVs, smartphones, and computers have anti-glare properties and touchscreen sensitivity. Using vinegar on these screens could potentially damage both properties. A soft cloth or the eco-friendly and reusable bamboo cleaning cloth with clean water would be a better substitute for vinegar. However, in the case of stubborn stains, a mild detergent applied to the cloth and dampened before cleaning the screen is advised. Your washing machines. Vinegar has been known to take care of stains in our laundry, but it should not be used inside of a washing machine. This is because it can damage the hoses and rubber seals in the machines, leading to leakages. You may even damage your machine for no good reason, because the vinegar may not get the stains off perfectly. There are other chemical products known to remove stains without fear of damage. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Smaller appliances. The fact that vinegar removes stains does not apply to some small appliances. Examples of these appliances include coffee makers, toasters, clothing iron, and even blenders. The acid in vinegar corrodes the rubber and metallic parts faster than other cleaning agents. Stainless steel is mostly used for these small appliances, and vinegar should not be used on them. Simply use a mild detergent and the eco-friendly and reusable bamboo cleaning cloth or tissue to clean. Kitchen utensils and dishwashers. Vinegar is acidic, so nobody would love to see it near your food or kitchen utensils. That is not even the obvious reason you should not use vinegar for kitchen utensils. Most of these utensils are made of metal, so using vinegar can corrode them faster. Knives and other tools with exposed edges are the most affected. Even using vinegar on dishwashers is not as effective as one might think. There are now available cleaning solutions for them, so it is better to keep vinegar out. The tops of your pots and handles of your utensils should also be cleaned without using vinegar. Corroding these surfaces is not the right price to pay for trying to keep your kitchen sparkling clean. Tough stains on some of these items can always be removed through more effective ways. Knowing that vinegar is an excellent stain remover does not mean it can be used on any object you see around. It is most suitable for the ones that do not react with its acidic nature, so it is advised to check the user's manual or instruction for cleaning guides instead. Vinegar is a great cleaning dye and natural cleaning ingredient, but we need to be careful when we use it. What you can do instead: sign up to our seminars and learn how to still be toxin-free when you can clean only with ionized water. Sign up here. If you love this post, try to watch some of our previous articles like Top Secrets of Professional Cleaning and Disinfection in Cleaning, 2 important things for a healthy home. Also, like and share this post, subscribe to our channel, and drop your views and comments. We at FastKlean will like to hear from you. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.